ओमेन ର meaning କଣ ଜାଣିଛ? ଖରାପ ସାଇନ୍। ଓମେन ର meaning ହଉଛି ଖରାପ ସାଇନ୍। ଯେମିତି କି ଆମ ସବୁ ହୁଏନି ଭୂତ ପ୍ରେତ ଡାହାଣୀ ଯୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବ ସ୍କଲ୍ ଥିବ ହାଡ଼ ପଡିଥିବ that is a omen ମାନେ bad sign। ତ ତମେ ସବୁ bad sign କି?
सर आज फास्ट जानछु एटा
ତ ସେଟା ହଉଛି WOMAN ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ women। ତ ଏଠି କିନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆମର କଣ the women WOMEN women।
Yes, sir.
କଣ ହବ the women in the pool swim or swims well?
Swims.
Swim well.
भी बुझना WOMEN ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି what does that mean? It is a singular noun or a plural?
Sir, plural.
प्लूरल आंसर स्विम सर
Plural always goes with singular verb form।
सिंगुलर वर्ब आगे
Swim.
So sorry, that will be
Swim.
swim, so without s।
सो
Yes.
Now the fourth one, Bill driver drives a cab, what is the answer?
Drives.
Drives a car.
Bill is third person singular। Fifth one, the football players runs 5 miles every day।
Run.
रॉन सर
Run.
Because we are talking about
रॉन प्लेयर्स
players, subject is players। That red-haired lady in the fur hat leave or leaps across the street?
लिप्स
Lives.
लिप्स
Lives.
Leaps, sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, that is the correct answer। He cooks dinner for his family? Cooks। The boy's worker walks to school every day?
वाक
The walk.
वाक
Okay, the boys
Walk.
वाक टू स्कूल एवरी
the weather on the coast, the weather on the coast appears to be good this weekend?
The weather on the
Appears.
The weather on the coast appears to be good this weekend?
सर appears
appears
Appears.
Yes। The center on the basketball team bouncer bounces the ball too high?
bounce.
Bounce.
The center,
Yes,
we are
sir.
indicating about a particular post।
सेंटर ऑन द
Center means we're talking about the person who is playing at the center of that field।
Bounces.
bounces
Bounces.
the ball too high
So,
Bounces.
let's check the answer। Okay, got the answers?
yes sir
Bounces.
Talks, looks, swim, drives, run, leaps, cooks, walk, appears, bounces।
yes
So we have only covered 2। Now rule number 3, some subjects always take a singular verb even though the meaning may seem plural। Okay, some subjects always take a singular verb even though meaning may seem plural। So the subjects like each, someone, either, anyone, neither, nobody। Okay,
okay
what it indicates, what type of pronoun are these? What type of pronoun? Last class we discussed about pronoun, so what type of pronoun are these?
sir which one subject
So possessive.
Someone, anyone, somebody, no one, these are possessive cases।
No, sir.
Say.
The relative pronoun.
Oh, छाप फट जाओ।
Sir, indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite pronouns. Is it specific? I'm kahaku indicate kari kone na. Someone.
Yes,
Kehi jon.
sir.
I don't know. That's why this is indefinite one.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? अरे जहाँ भी डाउट अच्छी पचार दियो
No.
डाउट टा कैरी फॉरवर्ड हे गले लास्ट को जितला में कथाबार्ता स्टार्ट कर दो ना सेतळे पचारले कोई बुझा पड़ला
Yes, sir.
why this is called indefinite because it is not particular one मु जानि नि किए सेटा that's why it is called as indefinite one जदि मु जानि थान त मु को करथान डेफिनेट कर दी थांती राकेश स्मिता I could have taken somebody's name but I don't know who has done this. So what I'm saying, someone, somebody, no one, anybody. So this becomes my indefinite pronoun. Okay. So though these subjects sound plural, some हेगला हमको बहुत जुड़े थी वो, but somebody I'm indicating about one person. Okay. So when we are saying this type of subjects are used, verbs should be always
Singular.
singular. So someone in the game was hurt. Neither of the men is working. Okay. Now, next one. Rule number 4. Up to rule number 3, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rule number 4. Hope you can read it. What it says, there is a structure. The sentence starting with some, any, all, most will take the verb form depending on the singular or plural of the subject. Okay. Most of the news is good. News is singular or plural?
So singular.
Singular.
News is singular. What is the plural form of news?
News is plural, sir. News.
News is plural.
No, sir.
Singular.
A singular plural. No.
Singular.
Confused.
So news रो तो plural sorry news रो singular जहाँ plural
Plus 2 पढ़छ तो
हाँ, sir.
plus 2 रे से हमरो invitation 3 बोली invitation 4 उठे ला बोले ग्रामर जो थे रखबला
आज्ञा sir invitation 4
सेठी गुड थिला काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स
Yes, sir.
मने पड़छ किछि
Yes, sir.
okay so there we were using this type of things information news so what are these
Sir.
what type of nouns are these uncountable nouns For
Uncountable.
uncountable nouns we cannot have singular or the plural ones
yes sir
okay so what we can say most of the news is good so uncountable nouns always take singular verb form okay do you have furnitures at your home
yes sir
furnitures
no furniture
Only furniture.
गोटे चेयर रखी बसछ
Furniture.
furniture or furnitures
sir furniture
Furniture.
okay use this furniture in your sentence and give me an example of subject verb agreement furniture को तम सेंटेंस से यूज करी मतलब ଗୋଟେ सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट का एग्जांपल दिया make a sentence speak up
I take new furniture sets in my house in this month.
I
take
what I said using furniture I said using furniture as the subject you are using yourself as the subject I take use furniture as the subject the furniture in my house is made of teak or are made of teak the furniture in my house is made of teak or are made of teak?
Sir, each.
R.
ପିଠା ପିଠା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହଉଛି ଆଉ। ଜଣେ କହୁଛି are final କର।
R.
Are sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are?
କେତେ ଗୁଡେ କାଠରେ ନା ଗୋଟେ କାଠରେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ କାଠରେ ବନା ହେଇନା।
କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କାଠ ସେ କାଠ ଗଣି ପାରିବେନି ଆମେ। This chair is made up of woods. ନା କଣ?
Yes, sir.
So what is the distinction between wood and woods? Behind my house there is an woods and the furniture is made up of woods. Woods मान हला जंगल, wood मान हला काठ. Okay. So how many woods are there in your chair? Can you say?
No, wood होगा.
Yes. There is no plural form of wood. Again, uncountable noun. We cannot say woods. That is a different thing. Okay. So
Okay.
my chair is made up of 2 pieces of wood, I can say. काठरो दीटा पीस रु तैयारी हिची.
Okay, sir.
But I cannot say that 2 woods. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next one. Most of the flowers were yellow. Now, what is the basic distinction between the first sentence and second sentence? First sentence, news is uncountable.
Yes, sir.
For that, what we're using? Singular verb form. But previously, what we have used the structure? Most of. Most of followed by the uncountable noun text, singular verb form. Okay? The same structure, most of is used, but the noun is countable. Flower, flowers. So as it is a countable noun and that be a plural one, so it will take a plural verb form. Okay?
Sir, once more.
Most of is common in both the sentence. In the first sentence, we are using an uncountable noun news. Okay. In the first one, we are using an uncountable noun news. So for that, we have to use a singular verb form that is. But in case of the second one, what we are using? Flowers. So this is plural form. What is the singular form?
Flower.
Flower. So in spite of using most of as a structure in the sentence, but a subject that is singular or plural defines my verb form. So news is singular, so is. Flowers are plural, that's why. Okay, now you define the third one. All of the pizza was gone. Why?
Uncountable.
Pizza is uncountable.
Yes, sir.
Then this,
Pizza is
are you a
singular.
mathematician? Science background with you there. जे कहला कि uncountable बोली.
Sir, ମୁଁ କହିଲି.
मैं कहले तो तोर background कौन science?
No, sir, it is singular ହେଇଛି ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ sir.
मते कोन कह पिज्जा टा uncountable बोली कहले. तो मु कोन धरि नेली साइंस पिलांको काम या. Put the formula, get the result. ऊपर दीटा सेंटेंस रे एग्जांपल पे दिया हला. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस टा uncountable, सेकंड टा countable plural रे अछि. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଟା ବି uncountable ହେଇता ତା ତଳଟା countable plural हो. Isn't it? Now getting the third sentence, all of the pizza is singular.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Picture.
All of the pizza, I'm talking about the entire pizza. Obutiko pizza. All of the pizza means the whole pizza I have eaten. Okay. What will be the verb? Singular verb. All of the pizza was gone. Whereas in the second case, all of the children were late, not was late, because children is plural. What is the singular form of children?
Child.
So can we say the all of the child?
No, sir.
So here the noun is plural, that's why verb will be plural. Noun is singular, verb will be singular. Clear?
Singular. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Moving on to the next. Begin the exercise for you. Answer. Each of the girls look or looks good on skis.
Look. Sir, look.
Look, sir.
Ujjwala Rao, rule number 3. Each of the girls, I'm indicating about what? Every individual girl that we're picking up, each, pratyeka.
Yes, sir.
Looks good.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Next one. Everybody was or were asked to remain quiet.
Sir, what?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Where के वाला मतलब नहीं रहता नाटक में
Everybody.
everybody where के कलर है everybody तो हम every को चाहिए every को indicate को choose करना what does it indicate
समस्तों को.
Everybody.
every one of you are at mistake or is at mistake
Is that mistake?
Each.
काहे कि एटा हम कहला को is कर देबे एटा कहला को आर काहे होची
Yes, sir. It भी was ही.
Was.
yes every जेतले हम every one each use करूचे that talks to your distributive pronoun जोटा कि हम जण को बुझौ छे
Yes, sir.
it is singular verb so everybody was asked to remain quiet. Now the third one, neither of the men is or are here yet.
Sir, each.
Each.
Is, sir. Is.
Is here yet. Neither indicates what? It's a choice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone. Okay. Next one. Is or are each of the girls ready to leave?
Is, sir. Is.
Sir, is.
Yes.
Each.
Each of the girl I'm indicating. So I'm indicating what? Singular person. Several of the ship is or are sick. Several of the ship is or are
Sir,
sick.
is. Sir, is.
Several we are indicating. Several means what? When we are saying ship a plural form is ship. Okay. So when we say several, what we should have said? Several ships. But plural form is ship. So several ship. Answer will be, verb form will be in which form?
Several of the ships are sick.
Several of the ships are sick. Some members of the faculty is or are present.
Is present.
We're talking about some.
Some member of the faculty.
We're talking about some members, not some member. You should
Sir,
have
are
member of the faculty.
Some members
Are
are
present.
Yes, nobody in the class has or have the answer.
Sir, has.
Aj.
Okay. Each of the girls observe or observes all the regulations.
sir observe.
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 Each of the girls,
Sir observes.
yes, S form will be there, singular. Each of the girls observes. All of the is or are gone. All of the milk is or are gone.
Sir each.
Why? Milk is
Milk is
Milk is uncountable.
Uncountable. That's why it will go with singular verb form. Okay. Next is most of the seats was overtaken.
Where?
Where?
Most of the
Where?
seats were taken. Okay. Now the next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Look at the answers. Here. Okay. Now, fifth rule. Subjects joined by and are plural. Means two nouns. If they are joined by and, it will carry a plural verb form. Just like Ram and Rahim are going to market. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ram and Rahim are going to market. Because I'm talking about two nouns that are connected by and, it takes plural verb form. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
But make me correct if I'm saying wrong. Rice and dal are the chief food of Odias.
No, sir. Rice and
No,
dal
sir.
is
Right.
is a what, sir?
Reason why? Ram and Rahim are, but rice and dal, why is?
Ram is
Because
counted.
we eat both the things at
Both
the same time.
same time. Easily.
How? Rice is made up of what do you call it? Paddy and
These are different castes, but we eat them at same time.
yes. So what we can say, whole sounds odd, but these are complementary to each other. What? These are complementary to each other. Time and tides, bread and butter. Okay, rice and dal. These are complementary to each other, though two nouns are connected with and, but they indicate the same thing. Okay, that's why it will take singular verb form. But in case of nouns connected by a connector and, they become plural and they will carry plural verb. Okay. Says subjects joined by or not take a verb that agrees with the last subject. Last means whichever is nearer the verb. जोटा verb पाखरे थिबो तार फॉर्म को नेक verb form बसिबो. Okay. Now look at the example. Neither Bob nor George. Okay. Neither Bob nor George is living. Here Bob and George both are singular. That's why verb form is. Next one it says neither Bob nor his friends. So we could have said is living.
No, sir.
What is the verb here? Are.
Are
Okay. So which noun is nearer to are?
friends.
Is friends.
Friends.
So friends is my plural one. So
Yes,
what it
sir.
says? Any subject joined by or not take a verb that agrees with the last subject. Last subject means that is nearer to the verb. Okay, so if it is singular, verb will be singular. If it is plural, verb will be plural. Okay. Sixth one. There and here are never subjects. Okay. What are these? There, this, that. These are demonstrative pronouns. Okay. So in sentences that begin with these words, the subject is usually found later in the sentence. There were 5 books on the shelf. What is the subject here? There were 5 books on the shelf. Subject here.
Book.
5 books.
Five books.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5 books is singular or plural?
Plural. Plural.
Plural.
That's why verb is.
Plural.
Plural.
That's the answer. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rule number 7. Collective nouns. I hope you understand what is a collective noun.
Yes, sir.
Examples are given: army, crowd, orchestra, audience, flock,
Family.
family. These are the words which can be used both as singular as well as plural. Okay, just like the army is responsible for the defeat. So here army is used as what? The army is used, the army is responsible for the defeat. So the army is my collective noun. I'm indicating at what? The entire army. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when I'm indicating about the entire army, it becomes what? A singular noun. Okay. But if I will be using the army are at dispute on this topic, हमें चाइना पर अटैक करिवे कि नहीं. Now the three armies, let it be the infantry, let it be the navy, let it be the what is that? Air force. Okay. All these three sections, they are now in confrontation. What I just, they are not together. So here what we're indicating about the individual members in the army. Okay. So what collective nouns can be used both as singular as well as plural. So if it is used singular, verb will be singular. If it is used plural, verb will be plural. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kalada.
Yes.
रश्मि कि अरे मुझ ना तो जाने को नहीं लगी ये यूज
Sir,
कर
sir, mo sir Sunita.
Sunita, yes Sunita, give me one more example using a collective noun. इतने सारा collective noun तुम्हारे हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
Any one you choose and give me a sentence, both in singular as well as used in plural.
A group of members stay in the room.
Group of members. अरे इतने अच्छे तो कोई group of member लेता है नहीं.
Sir, na sir, it is what they use common example group.
कोड देची.
आर्मी तले सर.
कौन देची? A group useful है नहीं. अच्छा, a group of members.
I stay in the room.
Is or are? When you are using a, what it indicates? Singular? Yes or no? When I'm saying
Yes,
a
sir.
group, it indicates what? Singular. But if I will be
Yes,
using group of members are responsible for this conflict.
Ah,
Group of,
sir.
here it is used as individual groups. So it will be plural.
Yes, sir.
For example, let's go with team. The team is unanimous at this approach. Yes, means I'm indicating the entire team. The team is unanimous at this approach. Yes. voice जाऊँ ना नहीं पुणी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मजे मजे yes sir को दूँ सानवाले मतलब लाऊँ चुम कहाँ से करता. Now if I will say that the team are divided in this approach, what we are indicating here? Individual members in the team. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
collective nouns can be used both as singular as well as the plural.
Plural.
Depending on its use, verb will be singular or plural. Okay. Now exercise. Margot and her parents visit or visits each other often. Visit or visits?
Visit.
Visit.
Because two nouns, Margot and her parents.
Yes.
There are two people here. So two nouns connected with and becomes plural. Okay, next one. Either the cups or the glasses are or is in the Dishwasher.
Sir, are.
Are.
Hmm?
Sir,
Why
is,
are?
sir.
Give me why is, why are.
Sir, are the cups or the glasses?
Glasses. So whichever is nearer to the verb will take the verb form.
Glasses.
Glasses is nearer to the verb.
Yes,
That is
sir.
singular or
Yes,
plural.
sir.
Plural.
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 Now getting it?
Yes.
Okay, now the third one, then we will move on. Wem and Fred need a right to work
Sir, need.
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 because it is plural.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 8. Expressions of time are usually singular when the amount is considered as 1 unit. Okay, example like $5 is too much to ask. अच्छा क्रिकेट देख रहे क्रिकेट any of you watch cricket?
Sir.
No. केबे देखिन?
Sir, once again.
Any of you watch cricket?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You have heard the commentary?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, usually we said that 100 runs is a huge score to chase. दिमाग में डाउट आसे नहीं रन्स को इज केम यूज करूछ 5 miles is a long distance to go. When we are using miles, how can I use is? Doubt आसे नहीं 2 dozens of eggs is required or are required? 2 dozens of eggs is required or are required?
Is.
Why?
Yes, sir, are.
Is. Reason is, in case of time, money, measurement, and weight, the amount that we're talking about, that is considered as 1 unit. 100 runs, 1 unit. 5 miles, 1 unit. 5 liters, 1 unit. Okay, so it will go with the singular verb form. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rule number 9. Some nouns, while plural in form, are actually singular in meaning. Okay. What are these? Rigs, phonics. Can we say that physics? I'm going to take physics as my honors.
No, sir.
Though there is s at the end of the word, but it is not a plural one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
S at the end of the word, but it is not a plural one. So what we say? These words take always singular verb form. They look plural, but they take singular. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What it says, don't and doesn't must agree with the subject. Doesn't he know how to sail? Obviously, he so doesn't. If I will use they, what we have to go for? Don't. Okay. Third person singular and plural one. Yeah. Third person singular and plural. What it? Hello.
So again explain the rule 10.
Don't and doesn't must agree with the subject. So first one, doesn't he? He is my third person singular one.
Yes, sir.
He does this. So if I'm making this one interrogative negative, what it becomes? Doesn't he do this?
Does
So does is used in case of your third person singular one. Do is used in case of your first person, second person, third person plural.
plural? Yes, sir.
Okay. So this
Yes,
is very
sir.
easy one. Exercise we'll do later. So this is all about your subject verb
Subject
agreement.
verb agreement.
Okay. Now, any doubt? Any doubt? No doubts. Hello.
Yes.
Any doubt?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଲି
କିଏ
ସାର୍ ରାଜଶ୍ରୀ ବାରିକ
କଣ କରିବା? ବହି ଅଛି ତମ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଗ୍ରାମର ବହି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି
ପଢିବ ଯୋଉଟା ବୁଝିପାରିବନି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଆସିବ ମତେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପଚାରିବ କି ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଏଟା କେମିତି?
Can you get slides, sir?
ହଁ ହଁ
Can you get slide?
I will share this one to that BDST classes and they will give it to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other doubt? No. अरे doubt भी नहीं.
Yes, sir. Rule number 9. Some
Uh-huh.
noun while plural in form are actually singular in meaning.
हाँ.
Example.
News. Do we say that I heard a news today? The news you gave me is very nice. Do we say news or news?
News.
News. So it sounds plural. News, physics, mathematics, Arabian. It sounds plural, but actually it is not plural. Getting it?
Singular.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is Tulsi, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tulsi. Now clear mind out. Mind out is each girl and each boy in this class is or are attentive.
Is attend. Sorry.
Each boy and each girl in this class is or are attentive.
Each boy is attentive. Sir.
Why is? Because we're indicating about every individual. Though it sounds plural and lagi jaichi setme amaku lagi pare je eta to dita asigala each boy asigala each girl asigala so dita asigala mane ame rule kochi when two nouns are connected by and it should be used as plural noun.
Yeah, rule
Okay.
number 2.
But what we are using here, each boy, each girl. I'm indicating about individual members over there. So what will we go for? We will go for singular verb form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. So next class we'll have some test on this. I will ask you. You have to clear my doubts. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next class re more doubt udago tam अरे जो पर्यंत तमे मते बुझेन मु केन जानि हबो
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
So let's wind up for today till we meet on Thursday about your intonation.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
thank you sir